Yes, ready. We are going to use this mighty power rightly or wrongly in conflict or in cooperation. Stop. All this should really force us to think on entirely new lines. Stop. We have to decide how to face these problems and not continue to think of petty matters. Stop. We believe in democracy. Speaking for myself, I believe in it first of all because I think it is the right means to achieve ends and because it is a peaceful method. Stop. Secondly, because it removes the pressures which other forms of government may impose on the individual. Stop. It transforms the discipline which is imposed by authority largely to self discipline. Stop. Self discipline means that even people who do not agree accept solutions because it is better to accept them than to have conflict. Stop. It is better to accept them and then change them if necessary by peaceful methods. Stop. Therefore, democracy means to me an attempt at the solution of all the economic and socio problems by peaceful methods. Stop. Para. Sir, one of the issues that was raised was about the price of coal and of petroleum. Stop. I must submit that the coal price has been recently raised because of the fact that we had to enter into the national coal agreement which casts a burden on the exchequer to the tune of rupees 200 crores every year. Stop. In fact, even the costs of inputs have also gone up. Stop. Having regard to these two factors, we had to take a very painful decision of increasing the coal price. Stop. Otherwise, the industry would have suffered like anything. Stop. Para. On the petroleum side, the position as it stands is that there is no doubt, as in fact, honorable members had made observations that while production has gone up, prices have also gone up. Stop. In fact, sir, in another context, I have given details to this house itself that if you compare the prices of petroleum with the prices as prevailing in various international markets, our prices are still cheaper. Stop. At one time when the house did want that we should reduce the prices, I had categorically said that whatever resources we build through this process, we plow back the money for the exploration and exploitation of oil. Stop. We thought that by using these resources in exploration activities, we should try to become self sufficient by the end of the decade, which hopefully we are expecting. And if we are not going to be self sufficient we shall undoubtedly be in troubled waters because we shall not be able to handle the economy in the proper perspective. Stop para. Therefore, sometimes a little sufferance becomes absolutely necessary in order to have the long term gains. Stop. It would be very easy to take certain populist approaches in these masters, but in the long run, the nation suffers. Stop. And it is precisely in this background that I would take this opportunity to urge to the various state governments and the electricity boards not to divert the money that have been allocated to the power sector, because in many a case I am finding that for sheer popularity, various state governments and electricity boards are trying to divert the money allocated for power, which would in the long run affect the economy of the state itself. Stop. I defend the rise to set the economy on rails. Stop. Para. Honorable members are aware. Last year I had introduced the dual policy in regard to kerosene after discussing with all the civil supplies commissioners of the states. Stop. And when I was assured that they would be able to implement the dual policy, I thought that the policy is such which could be taken care of, in which case the poorer sections of the society could be protected. Stop. But unfortunately, I found that the poorer sections were the first victims, as a result of which within 1 month. Stop.